Hi everyone. Let's see what is the guidance coming out for us today. Let's see what does universe want us to do. Okay. The universe is asking you to be ready. Okay. For some things that you have been asking since a long time. So be mentally prepared. It's time for judgments that is going to come out in your life in say coming 9 days. I understand that you were not very happy with the kind of response you were getting from the universe when you were manifesting things in the past, but now it's time. Universe is listening to you. They have evaluated the situation, and now you'll start getting the results for your manifestations. I do see that the manifestation that you have been doing will finally give you some positive results. Okay, there are chances that you will receive something nice and good from the universe. So let's be positive. Let's see what more universe is asking us to do. Right. The universe is asking us not to be obsessed about anything right now because it's not time. It will not go in your favor. This obsession can be, something that you really, really want in your life, even after you knowing that it is not going to be good for you. Okay. Even after you knowing that this obsession that you have in your mind or in your heart is negative, it's not positive for you, it's not going to help you in future, so be very careful about it. Universe is asking you very, very clearly, be very, very straightforward in escaping the situation which will not serve you in future, because the obsession will take you to some place where you don't want to be. There will be a lot of negativity, and if you get stuck in your obsession, you will take forever to come out of it, so be careful of it. Okay. There is a chance of new beginnings when it comes to having emotional fulfillment in your life. So if you have recently ended a connection, had a breakup, or if you're in no contact with your partner, the universe is saying don't worry, do not overthink, do not feel that everything is devastated and over. There is a very beautiful beginning coming for you, and that will eventually lead you to this. Can you see this card? 10 of Cups. You will feel extremely fulfilled emotionally. You will have a very beautiful life with your partner. You will be able to grow with your partner. You will be able to take a connection to another level, have children, get married. That is what the universe wants you to have. So, what has ended, do not stay stuck in that, because that is not going to revive. That is only going to make you sick. Okay? So, get out of that energy.